We've been avid visitors to the theatre since Alex was very young.
It means a lot to both of us. We love it here.
I think it's a beautiful, beautiful theatre. Everybody comes in here, I think, a bit excited. You see people getting off coaches and they're all sitting down with all their bags and rustling around. Everybody goes out uplifted.
And with how much I know my nan loves coming to the theatre and loves coming to see shows, I think it was important for me to commemorate that. She had a really big birthday last year, her 75th. So I thought, God, what can I get for her? You know, what can I get that's going to be commemorative, but also, you know, really important, that has a bit of longevity, you know.
To go into the thought of doing this, getting it arranged, going through it and everything else, I was touched.
I think it's a really lovely way to honour the person that you love, whether they're still here or not.
To see it actually in the chair, permanent, it was really, really special. And it was only today that it registered with me that my seat is F47 and 47's the year of my birth. It's taken 3 months for that to register with me, 4 months, that I've actually got F47.
To anyone who's thinking of naming a seat for their loved one, I'd say go for it.